Hey guys, I'm Ajjoub and I've been waiting for this Adobe Premiere Rush for Android even before Samsung put it out in their S10 keynote. So when I saw it on the Samsung App Store, which is the Galaxy Store, I immediately downloaded it. And I made an entire video about it. And I wanted to edit that video on Adobe Rush on my phone. So I imported the files from the camera to my phone, then I dumped them in Adobe Rush. But the files didn't work out really well. They didn't play out as smoothly, or they didn't play out at all. Then I thought the problem was from my phone. Then I dumped the files, the same files, my camera files, into the other video editing app that I used to use when I used to edit on my phone, which is Power Director, and it worked smoothly. The timeline worked very smoothly as well, and it seemed like there are no problems with the files themselves. It's the app. Then I went back to Adobe Rush. I dumped in some files that I shot with my phone, videos and photos, and the timeline worked smoothly. The videos, everything just worked perfectly. And the thing is that both of them are 1080p, the camera files and my phone's files, and they're both MP4. I was really disappointed because it has a lot of features. The timeline layout is very beautiful. It is very similar to Adobe Premiere on the laptops, and there's a lot of people out there that these features are more than enough for them for video editing. I was really excited when I downloaded it, then I got really disappointed when I experienced that. So the Adobe Premiere Rush for Android, it is perfect. It has a lot of features, but only when it works. Yes, it is disappointing, but still, it is the best video editing app that you can download now on your Android. And I already switched from Power Director to Adobe Rush. Thank you for watching, and don't forget that life is all about love and dance. See you!